Hi, I'm Sherry Steinbaugh, registered dietitian with Michigan Beans. I'm sure you've heard about the importance of family meals, and it's really true that having a meal together as a family can make the family stronger, and they tend to eat healthier as well, especially when it comes to eating more fruits and vegetables. But let's face it, getting a family meal on the table every night is not easy, so you need some simple strategies. And one of my best ones is to make sure that you're keeping plenty of canned goods in your pantry. Especially when it comes to beans, I love to keep a variety of them on hand, other fruits and vegetables as well, like canned tomatoes and corn, because cans really can get you cooking quickly. And if you think about it too, the can is there for a reason. The can is keeping the food inside safe, and it's locking in those nutrients. So they're really going to add some nutritional value to your meals. So let's show you right now 3 recipes that use canned goods that you can put together in less than 10 minutes each. First of all, too, when you think about cans, especially canned beans, if you are worried about the sodium at all, please remember that you can get reduced sodium beans. And also when you rinse and drain them, you're removing 40% of the sodium already. So our first meal here is a turkey chili. And what I've done is I've taken a pound of ground turkey and I've browned that with about a half a cup of diced onion. And to that, I've added 2 cans of diced tomatoes with green chilies. We've got 1 can of drained corn, and I've got 2 cans of dark red kidney beans. You can see the beautiful color in there, full of nutrition, full of flavor, and actually 2 cups of water and a packet of low sodium taco seasoning is what adds a really nice flavor to that chili. Simply served in a bowl with some corn muffins or a whole grain baguette makes a very nice family meal, and leftovers make a great lunch to go as well. The second meal we have here are some kidney bean tostados. And what I've done is I've taken a can of light red kidney beans and I've rinsed them off and I've put them in a skillet with a half a cup of salsa, a teaspoon and a half of chili powder, and a half a teaspoon of cumin. Brought that to a boil for about 3 to 5 minutes, and you can serve those on the warm tostadas and put out some toppings so the family can, dress up their tostadas any way they want. We've got some shredded lettuce here. We've got some shredded cheese. Perhaps people want some sour cream, but that is a really fun meal. And who doesn't like, a crispy tostada? Very, very simple. And our final meal here is a twist on the rice bowl. So what I've done is I've just taken some instant brown rice. You can put some in everybody's bowl. And then we've mixed together some diced tomatoes that have onion in it. We've got a can of corn. And then in this one, our kidney beans are actually chili beans. So they've got the seasoning in them already. We're gonna bring that to a boil, let the flavors kind of mingle. And you're just gonna serve this fiesta beans and rice right in a bowl together. And the corn in this one is actually a fiesta corn, so you get a little red pepper in there as well. What I like to do with this is just put some diced avocado on top. Again, you can do a variety of toppings depending on your family needs, but the avocado goes really nice with the spiciness of this dish. So I hope you can see that keeping a lot of canned goods in what I call my cantry can really help you get a meal on the table fast. And I hope you enjoy some family meals together soon. For these recipes and for more recipes using Michigan beans, please go to michiganbean.com.